Hi, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Z10 from Vodafone running 4G. So let's get into it. Blackberry. It's only literally came out in the last couple of months, so April for the UK, March for America. Just a quick look around the side, got blue there to go with the Z. This is running 4G ready on the Vodafone network. Slide box up. There you go, you get our first look at the phone. So this is the black model. What I do, I set it to the side. We'll have a look at that in a little while. Underneath. Flip this around. This compartment, you've got your 3-pin adapter plug for the UK. And in this one, you've got your charging port to USB, which is micro USB. It's USB for the computer, so you transfer all your media over and charge the device as well through the wall socket. Also in here, we've got the Snapdragon, because it's got a Snapdragon processor in it. A little bit of preview about that, a little bit of information. Also got Blackberry standardized headphones, which come with a little clip, and then microphone, so you can use this for hands-free calling. And then right at the bottom, got your literature. So Blackberry Z10 smartphone. Massive. Pull out information. It's all different information on your device. Now you've got start here guide as well, which are in the colours of the OS, because remember this is running the new OS 10 Blackberry, and where you can channel your phone for 2 different companies, your daytime and business time, and Blackberry Hub. So we're going to have a look at the device now. So here you've got the logo on the bottom, Blackberry. They've changed their name now from RIM to Blackberry. And on the back you've got the silver metallic Blackberry logo. Up top you've got a camera with flash. On the side you've got your volume rockers. Underneath all you've got is like a little lip there for your case. And then on the sides, your charging ports, you've got a mini HDMI and your charging mini USB. At the top of the device you've got your power button right in the centre, which a lot of people were complaining about. I actually quite like that. And then you've got your 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's turn it around. Let's boot up the device. Afternoon, this is Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we are doing a setup video of the Blackberry Z10. So first of all, asking us to choose our language and then swipe. So English. And swipe. The next bit it's asking us about is just select your mobile plan. This is a contract one. So down here at the bottom, it's asking you to select your plan. Down here at the bottom you've got a contract plan or pay-as-you-go plan or prepaid. So it's contract. So it's just connecting to the mobile network at the moment. which is Vodafone. And if you're in the right area with the right SIM card, you might get 4G, because this is a 4G ready device. Let's bring it in a little bit here so you can see what it's doing. So Wi-Fi, you can add Wi-Fi, or you can just swipe to skip this bit. I just entered my wireless key there, and come up with a couple of options here. I'm going to hit connect. So there you go, it's connected to my network. Next one is just agreement. So there you go, that's actually come up now. This is Blackberry's agreement. You have to accept. Down in the bottom, choose not to accept it or accept it, because this is running iOS 10. Next step is Blackberry ID, if you have one or not, which I don't have, but I'm going to sign up in a little while. So diagnostics and your location, so we're going to enable location. So down here at the bottom you've got enable. Software updates, so it's just checking for any software updates. So it's just saying there the phone has the latest software update, so carry on swiping along. Next one now is essential gestures. So it's just going to tell you about essential gestures. So zoom in so you can actually see this. So swipe to carry on. So when you're in an app, you touch the top part of the glass and you can see other features as well. So just carry on. And then pull down, as you can see there. Put it all the way down. Touch the bottom of the glass. Get out of an app, you touch the bottom of the glass, the Blackberry bit, and that will get you out of an app. Essential gestures to slide up. So touch the bottom and then slide up for other gestures. So now to try and leave this setup app, you've got to just drag up, and there we go. We're into our new home hub, and let's have a look. So you've got your applications here, and then you've got your capacitive touch buttons. You've got a phone call, a search, and then the camera button. And that is the setup phone of the Blackberry Z10 on Vodafone. And that is a 4G ready phone, so we're going to get lightning fast results, and I'll see if there's any local areas where we can get some testing done. Thank you always for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and your support is always helpful. And any comments or questions, please always ask.